Hello everyone, we are back. Let's try to create this presentation. If you like this kind of content, you will find more of them in my channel. Don't forget to go and see and like and subscribe. Let's try to create this transition. It's really easy. All we need to do is add a new slide, and then in new slide, we just simply copy our text. This is just a simple text, but what we do, we select the shape format and give it this effect, and also set the font to overdrive sunset. Now in the new slide, we're going to create these things. How to create them? It's really easy. We go to insert, this shape, this thing, select this and round it 1. We align it center 1, 2, 3, 4. No, it's not. Let me just make it a little smaller. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now we need to reduce them in size a little, and a little. Now we just simply need to create the effect and change the texture. We select all of them, go to shape format and set the shape outline to none. And for the shadow, we are going to use this shadow. Okay, it's good. Now we need to change the colors. I go with orange, green, and red, also a little blue. Then I just simply need to copy and paste the text. Wait a little. Okay, the text has been created. Now I select all of them and increase them in size and make them bold. Everything is okay. I need to copy this content here, paste it topper and reduce it in size a little. And I select all of these things, put them here and put them out. By putting them out, now we copy that, paste it here and just simply delete this. Select all of them and set the transition to morph. Okay, this is the end. If you like this kind of content, don't forget to like and subscribe and ask me if you need anything in the comments. I will answer you. Have a nice time.